Inaresto ang isang lalaki ng National Bureau of Investigation matapos magbanta na bombahin ang Commission on Elections Central Office. Kinilala ang suspect na si Giancarlo de la Cruz Maningo, taga Casili Hills, Mandawi City. Nabatid na umano'y nagkomento ang suspect sa iba't ibang online group sa social media na nag-aalok ng reward na 10 million pesos sa sinumang makakapagtanim at makakapagpasabog ng bomba sa COMELEC Central Office. Ayon kay NBI Civil Regional Director Rinan Oliva na nakatanggap sila ng ulat mula kay Justice Undersecretary Nicholas T. noong Mayo 13 hinggil sa umano'y banta ng suspect sa pamamagitan ng post. Nang inaresto na ito sa kanyang tahanan ay wala naman itong bahid ng pagtutol, sa halip ay inamin at inako ang mga parata. Kasama sa kanyang post ang mga larawan ni COMELEC Chairman George Garcia, dating Cebu City Mayor Raymond Garcia at DOT Secretary Cristina Garcia Frasco. Hindi pa matukoy ang motibo ni Maningo sa pagbabanta, ngunit mahaharap ito sa patong-patong na kaso gaya ng paglabag sa Presidential Decree 1727 o Anti-Bomb Threats at Republic Act 11479 o ang Anti-Terrorism Act of 2020. Dagdag pa nito ang kasong inciting to sedition sa ilalim ng Article 142 ng Revised Penal Code kaugnay rin ng RA 10175 o ang Cybercrime Prevention Act of 2012.
All COMELEC site at highest. This post started on May 5 and as of yesterday is still in the post, which means that 7 days before the election, during the election, and during the counting of the votes after the election, the threat is still there. We also found out that this post share was 120 times shared. Further investigation disclosed that the Facebook account bearing the name of G. Maningo was identified to be one Giancarlo de la Cruz Maningo of Casili Hills Subdivision, Casili, Mandawi City. Endorsed to NBI Director Judge Jaime Santiago for investigation a malicious Facebook post offering a reward of 5 million pesos to anyone who can plant and detonate a bomb to all COMELEC sites.
Mula rito sa lungsod Tlawigan ng Cebu, Bumbo Joanna Cañati para sa number 1 and most trusted radio network in the country, Bumbo Radio Philippines. Basta Radio, Bumbo!